Good morning from my hotel here in Trollhättan. Today is day 3 of my 1000 kilometer road trip with the Renault Zoe CD50. Today I will drive a total of 190 kilometers, and according to the app I do have a 220 kilometer range with 71% charge. It's a little bit close, so I will charge up halfway today at lunchtime in the little city of Åmål. Åmål only has 3 chargers in total, while Trollhättan, where I am right now, have over 60 Type 2 22 kilowatt chargers. So if I have been thinking about this, I should of course have charged up here in Trollhättan, but I do feel lucky. So let's go to Håverud, which is 60 kilometers from here. Then go to Åmål to have lunch at Sibylla, which is in total 110 kilometers, and then in total 190 kilometers to the hotel in Karlstad. Okay, we are now at the Håverud aqueduct. I have driven today almost exactly 700 kilometers. My range fell from 220 to 180. That's only 40 kilometers, even though I've driven 700. That's really nice. And my charge went from 71 to 52. So now I'm at Håverud. We will have a look at the aqueduct. And apparently this is a fairly popular destination. Have a look at this parking lot. There are loads of spaces over here to park, and I'm parked at the far end, of course, just to make sure that no one parks next to me and scratch the doors or anything like that. So behind me over there is one of the locks where they are currently emptying the water right now. I don't know why. Perhaps it's a little bit too much water in the channel. What a lovely place. Not that big as I expected, but apparently they are expecting a lot of visitors over here, around 300,000 tourists per year. And if you look behind me over there, that's the aqueduct. So it's basically a suspended bridge. It's a bridge for boats, meaning that you have a bridge and it's with water instead of place for cars to go. And the special thing about this is that, yes, it's an aqueduct. It's not that common in Sweden. Over there is the railway, and over here is the normal road. As you can see, the channel is quite narrow. I would say about 3 meters, and the depth is about 1.8 meters. So no big ships were able to cross here, and we will have a look at one of the ships downstream. I will show you. Very long way down, and it's going to go up here and then to over here. I would guess that this is could it be, I would say it's at least 10 meters. That's a lot. Look, they're opening the gates. Floodgates are now. So that's a software update, and the remaining time is 4. Oh, what a lovely winding road. Apparently it should be a 9% downhill grade as well. I have driven in total 579 kilometers, so I have more than 400 kilometers left to do my 1000. My range is at 145 kilometers, and I got the 40% charge right now. This is a B charger apparently, and I'm not too sure how to actually use it. I think there's an app or something like that. Yes, time for lunch. Sibylla meal, and my car is charging over there, as you can see. Well, Scania, of course, king of the road here at the Sibylla lunch place near E45. There we go. I've been charging now for 29 minutes, gotten 74% and 16.3 kilowatt hours. That's really good. 16 kilowatt hours in 30 minutes. So time to stop and head for Costa. Lovely. I'm at my destination, which is this almost American style Scandic Klarälven. My total distance driven is 651 kilometers, so I've got 349 left, which I will be able to do tomorrow. And my range is 202 kilometers, 56%, and apparently there was a charging station over here, a B, as well as the previous one, so that's really nice. I think I should go there right now to park to charge up for tomorrow. It says to be a 22 kilowatt charger. That would be really nice. Then I would be fully charged before later tonight, I would say, or perhaps early afternoon. Let's try to start it one more time. Otherwise, let's do all of this one more time. Perhaps start first and then connect the cable. We will try another one. Okay, I just talked to the B support. Apparently these 6 charging stations are not available. They have done a trouble ticket of it, but the main problem is that they have no connection to them. So they have to send a technician over here, but the support didn't know when that technician would be arriving or when this could be fixed. So that's funny. Good thing I put my phone number in the windscreen of the car. The janitor over here called me and said that he had restarted all of the charging stations now. So let's try this again. It says free, pressing start. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this will work, or it will not work. Nope, something went wrong, it says. Yes, it worked. The charging has now begun, and it's supposed to take 1 hour and 20 minutes to go from 50-something% to 100 at this B charger at Scandic Costa. And I even fixed the computers here at the reception. They had some problems with their card payment, but this has also been fixed now. So really nice. Apparently it's raining again. Not so bad, but there's some sort of rain. So let's take it easy for a while, kick off the shoes again, and try to edit today's video.